What if you could identify which job applicants are most likely to excel before they even set foot in your office? Today, we're diving into the science behind that possibility and how you can use it to make smarter hiring decisions. In today's episode, we are exploring the power of selecting employees based on intelligence or general mental ability, GMA. Research has shown that intelligence is one of the most powerful predictors of job performance, and yet so many managers overlook this simple but highly effective hiring principle. Let's take a quick look at a tangible example. Imagine a company struggling to decide between two job candidates for a data analysis role. One candidate has 5 years of job experience, but has struggled with adapting to new technologies. The other candidate is relatively new but has a high score in general mental ability. Research tells us that the second candidate, the one with high GMA, is more likely to quickly learn, adapt, and excel in the role, not just in the present, but as new challenges arise. So how can you use this knowledge in your hiring process? It's pretty simple. When screening candidates, you could introduce a standardized test to assess general mental ability. Tests like the Wonderlic or other cognitive assessments can give you a more objective look at a candidate's problem-solving abilities. This can be a game changer, especially for roles that require adaptability and quick learning. If you want to create a team that's future-proof, one that can adapt to change, think on its feet, and tackle challenges head-on, consider adding intelligence testing to your hiring toolkit. There's a lot more to learn about building high-performing teams, and we'll cover it all, piece by piece, in upcoming episodes. Stay tuned and keep growing those management skills.